Welcome to House Hacking Your Way to Millions, the veteran's zero down path. Explore how living in one unit and renting out others can pave your way to financial freedom using your VA benefits. Before we dive in, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on this information and more information like it. Today, we're going to talk about how to leverage your VA loan benefits to achieve multifamily home ownership and become a millionaire in the process. I'm going to break down who's eligible, the property types, the step-by-step process, and pro tips to get you started the right way. VA Loan is a mortgage program that's specifically for veterans, service members, guaranteed by the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs. The perks are there's no down payment, there's no PMI or private mortgage insurance, and the interest rates are very competitive and many times lower than advertised interest rates. So you can save a ton of money. We're talking tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands over the life of your loan. If you're an active duty member, if you're a veteran with an honorable discharge, if you're in the National Guard or the reserves, sometimes surviving spouses, all of you can have a benefit of the VA, and you can use that loan to get yourself on the road to making millions in the real estate business. To get started, you need what's called a certificate of eligibility. First thing you do is you connect with a VA lender. You get a VA lender, and they're going to be able to help you with your COE or certificate of eligibility. They're going to do your pre-qualify, and you're going to be in good shape to find out exactly what type of house you can afford. You can apply for these benefits right through the VA on their website, but my suggestion is you work with a good VA lender. The multifamily parameters you can use to purchase this property are up to 4 units. So you can have 3 units paying the mortgage and have that last unit for you to live in. The key requirement is that you have to live in the property. All the units must be livable. They must be in good shape. This isn't a fixer-upper deal. You have to have a building that is a nice building that is ready to move in. The VA is very specific on that. Many times they won't let you do repairs. It has to come move-in ready. Loan limits vary based on where you're purchasing, but some loans go over $1 million. So that's going to be the work with you and the VA lender that you talk with. If you are planning on purchasing a home and you're thinking about your VA benefits and getting into the multifamily, keep your credit score as high as possible. Don't purchase any new cars or furniture or anything that's going to have what's called recurring payments each month. You're going to want to stay away from them until after you close on your new home. That's important because that takes away from the amount of money you're able to borrow. I'm curious if you've ever considered using the VA loan or you have used the VA loan. Let me know in the comments below and tell me about your experience. And if you're interested in finding more out about it, please leave a comment or private message me. Once you've decided that you're ready to take a look and you want to purchase a multifamily, you do your COE with your lender, you get your pre-approval with your lender, you find yourself a good realtor that works with VA members and the VA loan program, and you go out and you start looking at different properties. And this is going to be a very exciting time for you because once you get in the first multi, you can use that to jumpstart seconds and thirds. Most people that buy a multi, investors have to come up with 30% down, which on $1 million loan is $300,000. You can get in with 0 down. So this is just a wonderful opportunity for our veterans, and you deserve it. Once you found a property that you like, you're going to submit your offer. Your offer is going to get accepted, and then you're going to go out and you're going to do the inspections. The VA has specific inspectors that they like to use for the homes that their people are buying. So you have the inspection done, you go out and you close your deal, and you move into the property. Now, this is important. You have to move into the property usually within 60 days of purchase, unless you're deployed or unless you have another special reason. You're supposed to be in that property for the minimum of 1 year. I appreciate you watching this video. If you find this information helpful, please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate that. Remember that if you're interested in doing anything in real estate investment, watch for our next videos, and I look forward to seeing you there.